Hello guys, welcome back to my channel EduVibe. Today let us learn how to find the multiplication of matrix. To find the multiplication of matrix, we should know that order of the two matrices. If the order of our matrix A is 2 by 3 and the order of the matrix B is 3 by 4, then after the product of these two matrices we get the order as 2 by 4. That means the number of columns in the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix should be same. Then only we can do the multiplication of two matrices. For example, if the matrix A consists of the order 2 by something 4 and the matrix B consists of 3 by 4, now the multiplication, that is product of the two matrices, is not possible. So that here we cannot do the matrix multiplication. Let us solve one example for matrix multiplication. Let us solve this example by multiplying these two matrices. First, every row of the matrix should be multiplied with the three columns of another matrix. Three columns of the another matrix, and we should add the corresponding elements. That means this first element should be multiplied with this first element. This row should be multiplied with this column, and again this row should be multiplied with this column. Again this row should be multiplied with this column. That means 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Again this 2 into 2, 2 2 is 4, plus 4. We should add the elements, and 1 into 1, 1. And next element, that means this row multiplied with this column. Again 2 into 3, minus 6. 2 into 2, plus 4. We should add the elements, 1 into 2, 2. Again this row into this column. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s 6, and 1 2 minus 2. Here 2 3s are 6, minus minus. 1 2s are 2, minus minus. Again similarly this row into each column. That means 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 0 into 2, 0, plus 2 into 1, 2. Again 1 into minus 3, minus 3, plus 0 into anything, 0, plus 2 to 4. 1 into 4, 4, plus 0, minus 4, 2 to 4. Again this row into these three columns. Again 2 2 is 4, minus 4. 1 2 is 2, plus 2. 2 1s are 2, plus 2. 2 3s are minus 6. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 3, minus 6. Sorry, 1 into 3, minus 3. 2 into 2, minus 4. This is minus 3. After solving this, get minus 4 plus 4, 0 plus 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 3 by 3 matrix. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. So the rows, the columns of the first matrix and the rows of the second matrix are same. So we got the matrix as 3 by 3 matrix. So we can perform the product of this, and we got the multiplication of the matrix. Thank you.